Hi, my name is Chelsea from SIB Visions, and today I'm going to show you how to change an Excel report template to include a chart and some calculated columns. For that, we'll start with our existing customer screen. We can see that we already have our Excel list button that we created in a previous video. We select it and click on the Reports button on the right-hand side. We'll want to edit an existing report, our list reports, and click Next. We'll then click on Get Template and store it somewhere easily accessible before opening it in Excel. Here, we will see all of the columns for the data we pull for our reports, and below, the placeholders. The placeholders we see here are the customer's name, zip code, address, the new checkbox, the city, the country, the website, the revenue, and finally, the premium checkbox. We don't need the address or new checkbox, so we can highlight and delete these columns. We also don't need the website. For the last column, we'll remove the placeholder and title as this is superfluous information. Now we want to multiply the revenue by a static number. For that, I will need to insert a new column and name it revenue times 3, and in the placeholder, I define it as such. For the next step, I'm just going to resize the columns a little bit, and I'm going to insert a line chart. Now we need to define on this line chart where the data comes from. So we'll click on the Select Data button at the top like usual. We will name our chart Revenues, and for our values, we want revenue. We also need to label the axis, which will be the names of the customers. After saving the file, we go back to the designer and change the template to our newly created file. Then we simply click Finish, and now we can have a look at it in the live preview. When I click the Excel List button, my report is downloaded automatically, and we can see that all of the values we wanted are now included. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.